Pesinayan ng Department of Education o DepEd ing mas pepasik na nga na Learners Telesafe Contact Center Helpline bang mas apalawak king mental health support para karing magaral king mabilog a bansa. Agpang king DepEd ing helpline na number sign 33733 konektado na ngeni king National Center for Mental Health Crisis Hotline para king mas mabilis at tambing a professional assistance kareng estudyanteng makaranas mental at emotional distress. Sinabi ng DepEd Secretary Sani Angara na kapag nasaning programa na ilapit ing dekalidad a healthcare at emotional support kareng balang estudyante. Ing inisyatiba partine ning pamagpatupad ning Universal Healthcare Act at Basic Education Mental Health at Well-Being Promotion Act. Amamye ulaga king mental health darengana. At atanda ng minuna ning pepakilala ning DepEd Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Service ing helpline system inyang 2021 bang makasaup emu para kareng estudyante nune maging kareng mestra at publiko adara na psychological distress. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.